Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with AVAX, followed by SUI, SHIB, World Liberty Financial, CRO, TON, Uni, and then we'll end it with Polkadot at number 30. Let's get straight into AVAX. So here we are for AVAX. What's happening for AVAX? So we don't know what's happening for AVAX. What's happening here is AVAX is in a bearish trend. There was a rally, down, up, down, up. Oh my god, I suspect that the whales of AVAX are looking to clear these lows. But I fear that should we truly close below this low, this will mean that AVAX is in a bearish trend. So it's very important that we do not close under this low, right? Hopefully we hit this noisy area over here. Let's say we go to sub $10, right? And then we start reversing back up, right? This will be in the best interest of AVAX. And then we complete a very nice ABCDE before a big breakout. This will be the most fantastic upside move for AVAX. Best bullish case. Will it happen? Oh boy, I don't know. We don't know. We have to wait for the price to drop lower first. So I again still suspect that we're going to hit back under $10 for AVAX. Roughly around this noisy area. SUI is very ugly. Oh my god. If you look at SUI, right? If we assume that SUI is also going to drop lower and clear these lows, ladies and gentlemen, this could be a left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. What? Yes. Very, very bearish. This whole thing could be a very, very big head and shoulders. And then SUI just drops down to 10 cents. Oh my god. The very high was about $5. At the low over here, it'll be about 50 cents. I suspect even if it were to drop to 50 cents, there will be a strong bounce that comes in. Very likely there should be a strong bounce, potentially up to 150 again. And after that, a right shoulder, 10 cents. Oh my god. It's not looking good to me. So AVAX, more likely than not, should be heading back towards the lows over here. I mean, of course, we could be wrong. AVAX could be zipping back up. It could be consolidating over here and hit higher. Right. We do a squeeze over here. Best bullish case. But until that happens, yeah, there's nothing much for us to do for SUI. Shiba Inu. So, by God, I'm painting you all the worst bearish, the best bearish case, right? Let's call it the best bearish case. Mountain 1, Mountain 2. Oh my god. If this becomes a Mountain 3, right? This whole thing becomes a descending triangle. Shiba Inu collapses to, I don't know, we're at 800. We drop down to 100, probably. That's a huge, huge, huge drop. Huge, huge, huge drop. 88% for Shiba Inu. Should we complete the mountain range? So it's very important that if a rally comes, it has to rally all the way back up here. Way, way above 2005, right? Then only will we complete a very nice squeeze here. And then we break out. One can only hope. One can only hope. So to me, I think Shiba Inu is, yeah, it's just not really looking that good. So should we get a mountain? And this whole thing, let's say, becomes a descending triangle. Oh, Shiba Inu is going to drop even lower. So stay freaking safe. World Liberty Finance. Here we are for WLFI. I don't know about WLFI. It's, oh my god. It doesn't really look too good to me. If I were to be... I mean, if I had to, you know, give an opinion for WLFI, we're actually in a rising channel. And rising channels usually break lower. If the preceding trend was bearish, subsequent trend should be bearish as well. So I'm actually looking to short WLFI, but I'm waiting for the signal to come in first. I need to see a bearish reversal signal, right? It could come in the shape of a candlestick. It could come in the shape of a chart pattern, right? Again, it depends on the situation. We'll have to see how it goes. But BTC is still bearish and it's still weak. So I'm just going to assume WLFI being weak as well. CRO against USD. What a disaster. So CRO had a very nice strong rally that came. Okay, let's look at it on the gate. Right, we stopped at the noisy area, ladies and gentlemen. And after that, yeah, down we go. Down to 10 cents. We went up all the way to 40 and then now we're at 10. So it's looking pretty ugly to me. And again, even CRO is in a potential rising channel. Preceding trend is bearish. Subsequent trend should be bearish as well. Right. I mean, of course, we could drop lower here. to this noisy area. This whole thing turns into a very nice big squeeze, right? A, B, C, D, E, and then we break higher. Best bullish case, but more likely than not, we're gonna clear all of this. More likely than not, so be very careful. Taunt against USD also looks very, very bearish. Taunt against USD on gate. Okay, let's go to gate. Do you see this? Do you see this? This whole thing could become a left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. It's very scary. It's very scary. I think we're gonna head towards the noisy area over here. Okay, we're already here. We're already here. Could we still drop a little bit lower? Yes. Oh boy. Should the rally come in and we get a right shoulder? Oh boy. It's gonna form a head and shoulders. And then, yeah, potentially. Oh my god. Clear the lows over here. Right. 5 waves is already in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There could be another zip lower. There could be. But should we get the right shoulder over here? That's it. Head and shoulders, we collapse. Much, 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 much lower. So you will hear this a lot, that 99% of cryptocurrencies are just not going to make it. I think should Toncoin get a head and shoulders, it's going to fall very, very, very low. So you got to stay safe. You got to stay safe. If you see a very, very big bearish sharp pattern, this is the coin that could be collapsing. Uniswap is also another coin. let me just paint you a picture. You see this? Everything aligns to the support line. It's crazy, right? Mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3. Right? Big, medium, small. And then what happened? We got another mountain again. Mountain, mountain. Should we come back down towards the support line? And if we bounce again, oh boy, this is not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good. Uniswap could also see a very, very big collapse. Very big collapse. Collapse down to where? 20 cents. I know we are at $6 right now. You'll be like, huh? Uniswap? Really? Yeah. It's a legit project. I know. But we could be coming down to clear these lows, you see. Right. We actually had this support line when Uniswap was here. But then it rallied up. So like, okay, we cancel this. And then it came back down. I was like, okay. And then it went back up again. And then it's down again, up again. Right. But you see that the highs are getting lower and lower. So I'm like, it's not good. It's not good, boys and girls. It's just not good. I mean, of course, we could also see another rally, strong rally up here. Something like this, right? Before dropping lower. Absolutely possible. So, yeah, the only thing is that the volatility is no longer as much, you see. It just keeps getting less and less. And the next one will be less and less and less and less before it explodes again. And I suspect that the explosion based on the current chart pattern is towards the downside. So, oh boy, it's just not looking good. All of these coins are not looking good. There's only one coin that's still looking good. The coin is called Bitcoin Cash. Polkadot against USD. Here we are for Polkadot. Dot is also down ever since the top over here. Dot has been in a downward trend. Lower highs, all the lower highs. Yeah, and we're getting another lower high here. So it's very scary though. I think Polkadot is also going to clear the lows over here, which is about 60 cents. $2 right now. So, oh my god, you have to be very, very careful about rushing into a trade for Polkadot, because I think it's going to drop towards 60 cents. Right? But we don't see the bearish sharp pattern yet. So, of course, we could be wrong. Polkadot could just start zipping back up. We get an inverse head and shoulders over here. Oh, things start turning bullish. Fantastic. And then Polkadot goes bananas. But until that happens, we're going to remain in a bearish bias. We failed to stay above the skinny pink line after breaking out. So this shows strong selling pressure for Polkadot. What's happening, Gavin? Hope you guys have a great day ahead of you. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!